up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Nikki. For those of you that don't know who I am, if you don't know who I am, then that's a big problem. That means you need to hit that subscribe button down below. Also turn your post notifications on so you never miss an upload from me and you're notified anytime I upload a video. Now today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial. I'm going to be doing a soft glam makeup look. So yeah, something really neutral. I do have a few errands that I have to run out and do today. I'm doing this video as well as vlogging all at the same time today, so you guys will kind of see what I'm going to be getting into today. So I'm super duper excited. I don't know why. I just woke up this morning in just such a positive mood, and I'm so thankful because this has been a crazy week and a crazy last week. So I'm just thankful to be uplifted in my spirits today. But anywho, guys, you guys didn't come here to see me ramble. I know I look very busted, very basic right now. Got my glasses on. I need to take those off. I'm about to do my makeup. Got my bonnet on. My hair is looking like who did it and why. So we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna get this all the way together. So if you guys want to see how I get the look, then just keep on watching. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. So I gotta take the glasses off and then we can get started. So the first thing I'm doing is taking this Wet n Wild primer serum. It's supposed to be a hydrating serum. And I'm using that to prime my skin. I've already moisturized and did all of that. It did feel super hydrating. Once it kind of dried down, it gave me like that tacky feeling that I like to feel with like a liquid primer like that. So I really enjoyed using that. Then I'm gonna take my Makeup Revolution baking powder. I'm using a mix of deep banana and terracotta, and I'm going to use this first because the Wet n Wild foundation that I'm going to apply is a little liquidy, so I really, want it to have something to stick to, just to kind of, thicken it up a little bit. I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. It has a dewy finish, and I'm in the shade Toffee Pecan, and it's like medium deep. So I'm going to use this foundation today, and I'm just going in and I'm blending that out. And you guys, my voice is a little hoarse. I'm doing this voiceover this morning, so my voice is a little hoarse in the morning times. So just keep on blending, girl. Keep blending. All right, so now I got my foundation blended. I like to do a little happy dance. I don't know, I was real hyped that day. I was real lit. Now for concealer, I'm using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and I'm using the shade Medium Sand. I love this concealer so much because it is hydrating, just like it says. It gives you a nice satin finish. So it's one of my favorite concealers. e.l.f. definitely did that with this concealer. I haven't used it in a while because I haven't been wearing makeup, so I really haven't been using a lot of my makeup products in such a long time, because with wearing these face masks, it just kind of defeats the point, And you guys, throughout the video, the sun's been trying to take my shine. I was actually doing my makeup in front of the window just so that I can get some really good lighting, but the sun was definitely trying to take my shine away from me that particular day. So I'm just blending that concealer out, and when I get to the under eye, as you guys know, I like to bring some on my lids as well, just to kind of serve as an eyeshadow base. Then I'm going in with that same powder and the same baking powder, and I'm going to set. I'm not going to bake. I'm just going to set and lock everything in place because I don't want my skin to be too dry. We are within the cooler months, and I don't need that much powder, so I don't want my skin to feel like it's dry and being suffocated, sorry. And I set a little bit more in my smile lines because that's where my foundation tends to crack and I tend to crease more. All right, for eyes, I'm going to take my LA Colors Nude eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take that nice soft brown color. I'm going to use that into my crease. Now, I will tell you something about this palette. I wasn't 100% impressed with it. Maybe I just needed like a actual eyeshadow primer to help. I don't know, but these shadows, they weren't showing up like I needed them to, and then it was like they just kind of got lost into each other, and it was like kind of chalky. Then I'm going in with this like burnt orange shade. I'm applying that into my crease. Like it just didn't do for me what I wanted it to do, so I just kind of was like, I was very disappointed, but I just kept rocking with it because, you know, I was filming. I was like, I'm not going to change it now. I'm just going to keep going. I'm going to work with what we got. So I tried to build up that color as much as I could. Then I went in with that like shimmery highlight color and applied that to my lids. And that didn't even really show up how I wanted it that much either. But like I said, just roll with the punches and keep going. So all in all, you know, the eye look turned out, you know, very neutral, you know, but I just wasn't impressed with the shadows. Then I took that orangey shade and ran it underneath my lash line. All right, for contour, I'm taking the LA Colors Highlight and Contour Palette, and that one's from light to medium. I'm using the contour color to, you know, contour my face, give it a little definition. I have a fat, round face, so I don't want it to look fat, so flat. Yeah, I have a fat, round face, and I don't want it to look, you know, flat. I want to kind of give some dimension, you know, chisel me up a little bit, get rid of that double chin down there, because I've been eating a lot of snacks. So I'm contouring pretty heavy today, you know. Don't know why I did, but I did. All right, and now I'm taking this ColorMates blush. It's called Sunkissed Tan, and I actually purchased it from the Dollar Tree, and it's a really good blush. I love it so much. I use it literally in all of my looks. It's like a perfect everyday blush. Then I'm going to go in and contour. I'm taking that same contour color from the palette and contouring my nose because the nose has got to be snatched, girl. See, snatched. Then I'm setting my face with this Hard Candy Matte Setting Spray. And I'm going back into that highlight and contour palette, and I'm going to highlight my face. Alrighty, so while my lashes are drying, I'm just using some LA Colors lashes. I'm going to take this NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick, and I'm going to like use it as like a liner, a lip liner, and it's called Brooklyn Thorn. And I'm going to take this MAC Nicki Minaj collection lipstick. It's Plum Dandy, and it's a matte lipstick, and I just wanted to create like a matte nude lip. And that's pretty much it, you guys. So I'm gonna do my brows, apply my lashes off camera, and be back for the finished look. All right, you guys, so here's the finished look, you guys. Very neutral, very soft glam. I did my hair, got my little curls popping or whatever. I got my shirt. I hope you guys like this shirt. I got it from Target. It says curls, kink, waves, braids, rose. But yeah, so I'm absolutely happy with how it turned out. It's very soft glam. I want to be very neutral today. Only thing is I wasn't getting a lot of pigment from the palette, so my shadows are kind of dimmer than I wanted, but it's all goody in the hoodie. But you guys, I gotta go so that I don't miss my Uber, because I have a lot of stuff to do today. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, turn your post notifications on, leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.